Recipes with Eva. 7 delicious dinners for a calorie deficit. Dinner number 1, creamy chicken with mushrooms and spinach, low carb. Required ingredients: 2 servings. 300 grams chicken breast, 150 grams fresh mushrooms, button or oyster, 100 grams fresh spinach, 100 milliliters light cream, 10%, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 garlic clove, salt and black pepper to taste, a pinch of smoked paprika for flavor, fresh dill or parsley for garnish. Preparation method: chicken preparation. Cut the chicken breast into thin strips or cubes. Season with salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Sautéing. In a heated pan with olive oil, cook the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. Adding mushrooms. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes until they soften and release their aroma. Garlic and spinach. Add finely chopped garlic and fresh spinach. Stir until the spinach wilts. Creamy sauce. Lower the heat and pour in the cream. Stir well and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce thickens. Serving. Sprinkle with fresh dill or parsley and serve warm. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories per serving: 365 kilocalories. Protein: 42 grams. Fat: 17 grams. Carbohydrates: 7 grams. Benefits: high in protein, supports fat burning and keeps you full for longer. Creamy and delicious, yet low in carbohydrates. Quick and easy to prepare. Dinner number 2, baked sweet potato stuffed with chicken and mozzarella. Required ingredients: 2 servings. 2 medium sweet potatoes, approximately 250 grams each. 250 grams chicken breast. 60 grams grated mozzarella. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 small red onion. 1 garlic clove. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and black pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Preparation method: baking the potatoes. Wash the sweet potatoes, pierce them with a fork, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 25 minutes until soft. Preparing the filling: cut the chicken breast into cubes. Sauté in a pan with olive oil for 5 to 6 minutes. Add chopped red onion, garlic, and smoked paprika. Cook until golden. Stuffing: slice the sweet potatoes lengthwise, scoop out some of the flesh, and mix it with the chicken filling. Mozzarella and baking: stuff the potatoes, sprinkle with mozzarella, and bake for another 5 minutes until the cheese melts and turns golden. Serving: garnish with fresh parsley and serve warm. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories per serving: 420 kilocalories. Protein: 33 grams. Fat: 14 grams. Carbohydrates: 42 grams. Benefits: balanced combination of carbohydrates and protein. Keeps you full and energized. Perfect look for video, golden cheese and vibrant colors, checkmark, easy and quick to prepare. Dinner number 3, crispy skinned salmon with cauliflower puree and asparagus. Required ingredients: 2 servings. 2 salmon fillets, approximately 150 grams each. 250 grams cauliflower, 1 tablespoon butter. 40 milliliters light cooking cream, 10%. 150 grams asparagus. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 garlic clove, salt, black pepper, and lemon juice. To taste, a pinch of dried rosemary. Preparation method: cauliflower puree. Boil the cauliflower in salted water for 10 minutes until soft. Drain well, add butter, cream, salt, and pepper, then blend until creamy. Asparagus. Heat olive oil in a pan, add the asparagus, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes so they remain slightly crisp. Sprinkle with garlic and a little lemon juice. Salmon. Pat the fillets dry, season with salt, pepper, and rosemary. In a non-stick pan, sear skin side down for 4 minutes, flip, and cook another 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crispy. Serving: place the creamy puree on a plate, top with salmon, and serve the asparagus on the side. Drizzle with lemon juice for freshness. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories per serving: 390 kilocalories. Protein: 38 grams. Fat: 21 grams. Carbohydrates: 9 grams. Benefits: low carb and rich in omega-3. Perfect for a calorie deficit dinner. impressive in both presentation and taste. Dinner number 4, whole wheat pasta with shrimp, spinach, and tomato sauce. Required ingredients, 2 servings, 140 grams whole wheat pasta, penne, spaghetti, or tagliatelle, 250 grams raw peeled shrimp, 150 grams fresh spinach, 200 grams canned chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, a pinch of red chili flakes, optional salt and black pepper to taste fresh basil for garnish. Preparation method: pasta. Cook the whole wheat pasta in salted water according to package instructions. Reserve 50 milliliters of the cooking water. Shrimp. In a large pan, heat the olive oil and add the shrimp. Cook for 2 minutes on each side until pink. Remove and set aside. Sauce. In the same pan, lightly sauté the garlic. Add the tomatoes, oregano, salt, and pepper. Let simmer for 8 to 10 minutes until thickened. Spinach. Add the spinach and stir until wilted. Combining, add the pasta and the reserved water, mix well. Return the shrimp to the pan and cook for another minute. Serving. Serve hot, garnished with fresh basil. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories per serving: 430 kilocalories. Protein: 32 grams. Fat: 12 grams. Carbohydrates: 52 grams. Benefits: balanced meal with quality carbohydrates and high protein content. Suitable for a calorie deficit, yet filling perfect for a beautiful and appetizing video. Dinner number 5, chicken rolls with zucchini and cream cheese. Required ingredients: 2 servings, 2 chicken breasts, approximately 300 grams, 100 grams light cream cheese, 1 small zucchini, 150 grams, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt, and black pepper to taste, toothpicks for securing. Preparation method: preparation. Slice the chicken breasts lengthwise to make thin fillets. Season with salt, pepper, oregano, and garlic powder. Zucchini. Cut the zucchini into thin strips using a peeler or knife. Filling. Spread each fillet with cream cheese and place 2 to 3 zucchini strips on top. Roll tightly and secure with a toothpick. Cooking. Heat olive oil in a pan and cook the rolls for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until golden. Serving. Serve with a small salad or fresh greens for added freshness. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories per serving: 350 kilocalories. Protein: 40 grams. Fat: 18 grams. Carbohydrates: 5 grams. Benefits: low carb, high protein, and very filling. Easy to prepare, yet with a gourmet look, ideal for a calorie deficit dinner. Dinner number 6, whole wheat tortillas with chicken, avocado, and fresh salsa. Required ingredients: 2 servings, 2 whole wheat tortillas, approximately 60 grams each, 250 grams chicken breast, 1 small avocado, 1 tomato, 1/2 red bell pepper, 1/2 red onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a pinch of dried oregano, salt, and black pepper to taste. Preparation method: chicken. Cut the chicken breast into strips, season with salt, pepper, and oregano, and sauté in olive oil until golden, about 6 to 7 minutes. Salsa. Dice the tomato, bell pepper, and onion into small cubes. Mix with lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Avocado. Slice thinly or mash for a creamy texture. Assembly. Warm the tortillas. Place the chicken in the center, top with avocado and salsa, then roll tightly. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories per serving: 420 kilocalories. Protein: 32 grams. Fat: 15 grams. Carbohydrates: 45 grams. Benefits: great combination of quality carbohydrates and proteins. Light yet filling dinner, suitable for a calorie deficit. Dinner number 7, eggplant rolls with ricotta, spinach, and tomato sauce. Required ingredients: 2 servings, 1 large eggplant, approximately 300 grams, 150 grams ricotta, 100 grams fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 200 grams canned chopped tomatoes, 1 garlic clove, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and black pepper to taste, 20 grams grated Parmesan. Preparation method: eggplant. Slice lengthwise into thin strips, sprinkle lightly with salt, and let sit for 10 minutes to release bitterness. Pat dry and grill in a pan or bake for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Filling: sauté the spinach for 1 to 2 minutes until wilted, then mix with ricotta, salt, and pepper. Sauce: heat olive oil in a pan. Add garlic for a few seconds, then add tomatoes and basil. Let simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Rolls: place 1 spoonful of filling on each eggplant strip, roll up, and arrange in a baking dish. Baking: pour over the tomato sauce, sprinkle with Parmesan, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 minutes until melted and golden. Serving: serve hot, garnished with fresh basil for freshness. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories per serving: 360 kilocalories. Protein: 25 grams. Fat: 18 grams. Carbohydrates: 14 grams. Benefits: low carb and high in protein. Tempting appearance: perfect for video light and very flavorful. This was episode 1 of the series 7 delicious dinners for a calorie deficit. Stay tuned for episode 2 coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss the next recipes. Thank you.